Question 1. Papers submitted to district collector must be systematically arranged. 3 classes of papers must be arranged separately. Which are they? Answer: ordinary, urgent, and very urgent. Question 2. A consolidated list of cases to be posted will be submitted to district collector, who will fix the place and date of hearing. What is the time duration for sending this list? Answer: once in a week. Question 3. Distribution register maintained in the office of Deputy Tahsildar contain how many pages? Answer: 220. Question 4. Distribution register maintained in a taluk office can be destroyed after? Answer: 5 years. Question 5. An interval of half an hour between will be allowed for tiffin or lunch. Answer: 1.3 pm and 2.3 pm. Question 6. Who is the custodian of attendance register in the office of Taluk Tahsildar? Answer: HQ, DT. Question 7. Instructions will be observed in drafting and also in writing notes. Government will be treated as? Answer: plural. Question 8. Widespread error in drafting is the use of for being. Which is the correct usage as per DOM? Answer: to be. Question 9. In drafting and writing notes, the vague and ugly phrase do the needful should never be used as per DOM. Which is the correct usage? Answer: do what is necessary. Question 10. In drafting, clerk wrote, I am the record keeper from 1906. Is it correct usage? If not the correct usage in drafting? Answer: I have been the record keeper since 1906. Question 11. In a taluk office, personal register is maintained in which form as per DOM? Answer: Form 2 Appendix B. Question 12. As per DOM, Para 12. In collectorate, who is to ensure personal registers are punctually, neatly and properly maintained? Answer: Sheristadar. Question 13. What is the penalty for every 3 days late attendance without permission in the office of sub-collector? Answer: forfeiture of 1 day casual leave. Question 14. In a collectorate C section, clerk submitted his application for casual leave showing the ground as for urgent private affairs. Will it be granted as per DOM? Answer: will not be granted. Question 15. While in office, all members of the establishment must behave in? Answer: courteously. Question 16. Which register is maintained in Form XV as per DOM? Answer: security register. Question 17. Registers maintained in a taluk office can be destroyed after a prescribed period. So personal register will be destroyed after years? Answer: 5 years. Question 18. In a taluk office subject to the general control of the taluk tahsildar, who is responsible for the supervision and control of whole office as per DOM? Answer: Deputy Tahsildar HQ. Question 19. Clerks commonly misuse till in a way that is positively misleading. Hence, no reply was received till March 31st. What does it mean? Answer: reply was received on 31st March. Question 20. Clerks usually write in a style in which they would never talk. They habitually use needlessly formal words as therein. Which word can be used instead of the word therein? Answer: in it. Question 21. A clerk in the office of RDO wrote in the file marginally noted. It could only means having marginal notes. What is the correct word to be substituted? Answer: noted in margin. Question 22. Which register is maintained in Form 11 as per DOM? Answer: periodical register. Question 23. What is column No 12 of personal register? Answer: nature, RD, K, L or N and date of disposal. Question 24. Which register among the following can be destroyed after 3 years? Answer: stamp account register. Question 25. In the office of district collector, who is responsible to ensure that the collector's room is properly swept and dusted daily? Answer: Dafedar. Question 26. Which is the general discipline while an employee is in office? Answer. Behave in quiet and dignified manner. Question 27. Which register is maintained in Form IV in Collectorate? Answer. Fair Copy Register. Question 28. Stationery and records must be put away tidily by the section clerk, as per DOM. How to keep it? Answer. In the clerk's almirah. Question 29. What is duty time of Dafedar as per DOM? Answer. 9:3 am to 5 pm. Question 30. For the purpose of the supply of ordinary fire appliances, the building are divided into how many classes? Answer. 2. Question 31. As per DOM, call book is to be retained for how many years in the taluk office and can be destroyed after the prescribed period? Answer. 3 years. Question 32. Which register can be destroyed after 1 year? Answer. Register showing our handing over and taking back the sealed bag containing key of record room. Question 33. In the office of Deputy Tahsildar, who will maintain call book as per DOM? Answer. Head clerk. Question 34. What is column No. 3 of distribution register maintained in the office of DY, Tahsildar as per DOM? Answer. Number of the clerk and her initial. Question 36. What is the duty time of night watchman? Answer. 6 pm to 6 am. Question 37. As per the fire rule, an ordinary building having cost below 10,000 and a superficial area of 1,000 square feet, how many fire bucket to be kept? Answer. 4 fire buckets, 12 height and 10 deep. Question 38. What type of filing system is followed in the record room of a taluk office? Answer. Filed on the rack vertically. Question 39. Which register is maintained in Form 14 as per DOM? Answer. Register of papers issued from and returned to the record room. Question 40. Administration report of which department will be kept permanently like books of reference? Answer. Excise. Question 41. Pages of stock file must be neatly numbered. In which ink? Answer. Red. Question 42. When short drafts are put up, they may be written in which form instead of starting on a fresh sheet? Answer. Run-on form. Question 43. Copy application register for the year 2025 of Taluk office will be destroyed when, as per DOM? Answer. 2035. Question 44. Utmost economy must always be exercised in the use of stationery. Who will in collectorate ensure it? Answer. Sherishtadar. Question 45. Who is the custodian of attendance register in the office of district collector? Answer. Sheristhadar. Question 46. What do you mean by DO letter? Answer. Demi-official letter. Question 47. Periodical bearing. No 2. 2025. P2. Taluk is due to district collector 5th of every month. What will be the periodical number in the year 2026? Answer. 2. 2025. P. 2 Taluk. Question 48. Who will fix the date and place of hearing in the office of district collector? Answer. District collector. Question 49. Which register need not be maintained in the Tahsildar's office? Answer. Fair copy register. Question 50. Who is a district magistrate? Answer. District collector. Question 51. Papers submitted to collector must be systematically arranged. Who among the following is to ensure it as per section 133 of DOM? Answer. Camp clerk. Question 52. For submission of files to the collector's camp office, a sufficient number of boxes preferably made of are an essential? Answer. Steel boxes with good locks. Question 53. Register maintained in Chapter V will be destroyed after the prescribed period. So personal register maintained in the office of sub-collector has to be retained for how many years? Answer. 5 years. Question 54. Register of new cases is maintained in which form? Answer: Form 3. Question 55. Proper management will be made for the disposal of urgent work on holidays by the head of office. For this, head of office will draw up a regular list showing which clerk have to attend each holiday during Christmas and Easter. Answer: Turn list. Question 56. CLR, Commissioner of Land Revenue, directed Taluk Tahsildar to submit CR of Deputy Tahsildar eligible for promotion. What is meant by CR? Answer: Confidential report. Question 57. In the office of RDO, who will scrutinize our disposals which are 30 years old and record the results of review? Answer: RDO. Question 58. In the office of sub-collector, when a D disposal can be destroyed? Answer: After 10 years. Question 59. Results of review of RDIS files which are 30 years old to be destroyed, if not required, are recorded in which form as per DOM? Answer: Form 16. Question 60. Who is an executive magistrate? Answer: Taluk Tahsildar. Question 61. Section 129 of DOM is dealt with punching of stamps. Files on no account be sent to record room after disposal. After all stamps in this have been punched with? Answer: Circular punch. Question 62. District Collector instructed all Tahsildars to submit DCB by 5th of every month. What is meant by DCB? Answer: Demand collection balance. Question 63. Taluk office building costing below 10,000 rupees is having a superficial area of 1,500 SQ rupees feet. As a precaution against fire, how many fire buckets are required as per DOM? Answer: 5 fire buckets of 12-inch height. Question 64. Para 118 of DOM is dealt with what? Answer: Checking of personal register. Question 66. District Collector writes a query in the margin of the note file of C section clerk. Where does he has to answer the query? Answer: Note file in continuation of the note. Question 67. KDIS 6238 over 2025 is the K disposal of a Taluk office. How long it can be retained? Answer: 3 years. Question 68. Tahsildar marked X in a disposal. What does it mean? Answer: Not to be registered. Question 69. In a collectorate, how many call books are maintained? Answer: 1 for whole office. Question 70. Para 95 of DOM is dealt with? Answer: Destruction of records. Question 71. What is the color of our disposal jacket? Answer: brown. Question 72. Which disposal can be destroyed after 1 year? Answer: L disposal. Question 73. When a draft is put up, the words draft submitted with date and initial should be entered? Answer: at the foot of note. Question 74. Who is the custodian of call book? Answer: Tapal clerk. Question 75. In the office of district collector, who is to ensure that all papers are typed and sent for the signature of collector? Answer: Superintendent, fair copy. Question 76. The system used for confidential papers that collector keeps in his own custody and other paper that he wishes to refer to frequently is known as? Answer: Roneo number alpha system. Question 77. The first step to be taken in order to introduce the organization of office system into any office is to divide the office into convenient section and to draw up a clear distribution list. What is the system as per section 2 DOM? Answer: Mr. Tottenham's system. Question 78. For inspection, each section clerk should submit personal register, periodical register, accompanied by running note to the section head. This running note can be destroyed after years? Answer: 3 years. Question 79. Calendar for the inspection of personal register is prepared in every office. In the office of district collector, personal register is checked by collector? Answer: once in every 2 months. Question 80. All urgent communications to Government and Commissionerate of Land Revenue must be marked. Answer: urgent in red ink on the envelope. Question 81. In Taluk, office personal register and periodical register should be checked by Tahsildar. Answer: every month. Question 82. In which form stamp account register is maintained? Answer: Form V, Appendix B. Question 83. Which register is maintained in Form 8E in Appendix B as per Section 26 of DOM? Answer: Pauper Suit Register. Question 84. A current that originates in the office is treated just like any other new case and it will be registered in which column of personal register? Answer: column 4. Question 85. Records issue register maintained in the office of sub-collector will be retained for how many years? Answer: 3 years. Question 86. Papers marked XL discs will be kept in a separate lodged bundle and destroyed after? Answer: 1 year. Question 87. Gun license renewal application received in collectorate should be registered in which register by the section clerk? Answer: Register of Gun License. Question 88. Reference to authorities quoted in the current will be noted on the margin of the current in pencil. As far as possible, flags should be arranged in which order? Answer: alphabetical order. Question 89. What is column number 6 of security register? Answer: particulars of valuable enclosed. Question 90. Records and registers must be destroyed after prescribed period. So when arrear list in Form X will be destroyed? Answer: A. After 3 years. Question 91. Correction slips must be pasted into the books to which they belong within which of their receipt in the office? Answer: 3 days. Question 92. In the office of District Collector, who will exercise general supervision over the whole office, both in regard to the dispatch of business and in regard to discipline? Answer: Husur Sherish Thadar. Question 93. What is column number 8 of personal register? Answer: return to clerk. Question 94. How does a section clerk get a record file as per DOM? Answer: sending prescribed slip to record keeper. Question 95. Section 22 of the DOM is dealt with? Answer: new and old cases. Question 96. Who is the custodian of office seal as per Section 94 of DOM? Answer: record keeper. Question 97. Papers relating to suits will be indexed under the head Suits. An original suit bearing number 1415 is filed in the year 2025. How will you index it? Answer: OS 2025 over 1415. Question 98. Register of N reference slip is maintained in which form as per DOM? Answer: Form VI. Question 99. In a Taluk office, registers of dispatch by post and local delivery book will be retained for years? Answer: 3 years. Question 100. Title of every draft letter, proceedings, or memorandum to be written? Answer: at the head of draft.